Got 32-inch holes, 2 bags of concrete at the bottom of each hole. $142.5 on center, post to post. $12 feet from that wall to those posts. Just have to close in this door. And you'll have 3 stalls, so there'll be 3 stall door openings. One will be on center. Then we've got, it's 48 inches or something. Through there, we come through here, all this shelving will be gone. And a man door, either on this wall or this wall. And that's that for right now. Here, hopefully shortly, we'll have horses here. I got a pile of drain rock out there to backfill the post with. I'm doing laminated 2x6 posts, 2.5-inch screws, and that stuff you see in between there is construction adhesive, liquid nails. And then we'll tie in all the way up to the rafters. We continue to add to those, which should cut down on the cost quite a bit on these posts. And I think they'll be plenty strong, especially since they're not, they will be structural because it will be supporting a loft up above. 12 by 40 loft, but we're not going to put hay up there. We're just going to store a lot of this stuff, maybe lawn furniture. Okay, scanning some walls. Sure is handy having a machine. This is a pretty heavy wall. And it'll be framing in that section up above. That's the doorway for the horse. And we've got these posts and that backer on that wall will line up for the stall walls. Another backer there that lines up with this post here. And then we'll have to frame in doors going out right here from the other stalls. And that's it for now. Okay, here's what's going on today for the horse stalls, which isn't not much progress in here. We got a lot of stuff torn up out here. Rented a mini excavator from TRS, which is, they were awesome. Just let me pick up the mini after hours and it was already on the trailer and ready to go. So putting a hydrant faucet in this corner. There's our ditch line, running water line from that hydrant faucet down there up to here, coming up alongside the barn, going all the way up there with another hydrant faucet Coming inside, we're doing drinking post somewhere in that location by the ladder. Another drinking post somewhere in that location by the level. Yeah. And the weather isn't the greatest. Got a bunch of drain rock, at least to backfill around the hydrant faucets and below them, and the drinking posts. Okay, see ya. More ditch. Getting ready. I got the hydrant faucet around there. T on the bottom. T up, another hydrant there. Got this backfilled. I'm gonna put a bunch of rock in the ditch line. Let it sink. Oh boy. Big mess. Got that punched out underneath the foundation. Digging into there to put water inside the barn. There's a French drain there I just tapped into, and boy, there's a lot of water in that thing. It's draining into my ditch. So I better get to work, get that done before it fills up. Okay. We're all plumbed in. There's actually water going to everything right now. He's just checking for leaks. So far everything looks really good. Got a valve here. We put this on top of it, just like so. And then the valve box over the top of that. I've got just a little, I didn't have a fitting that would work with this, which in the future, if I want to stub out and take water to a bathroom or something, if we add a bathroom later on, it'd be a good place to tie in. And I can turn the water off right there, only from this point on. So I wish I would have had the valve box outside, but because of the cold temperatures, I didn't want to take a chance of something freezing up. I'm getting ready to backfill, which is a good feeling. All right. Okay, we're moving forward with these, and it's looking good. Just got this one done. It has the feed door in it. You pull up on this bar, swing it open, and it'll go open quite a ways. Nice. And you drop your feed right down in here, which will have a feeder box. So you won't actually have to enter the stalls to feed if we have somebody feeding for us. You don't have to worry about them getting in with the horses. Locks nice. It doesn't lock at the top, just the bottom. Still pretty nice and solid. Get the 2x12 header up there. That's just the first complete one. Treated wood at the bottom. I'm gonna put this header up here across the top of this door. This will be kind of a storage area for feed. Drinking posts. I'm gonna put a bit of work to do, but it's coming along really nice. It's coming together really good. I'm really happy with it. Other than the cost of lumber. Using DeWalt laser level to shoot everything across to those basically for everything, for setting, keeping everything plumb, true, and square. We'll have paddocks out here. They'll run out far enough to where we can still drive through. So you gotta bring more rock in. Rock this for driving through. And we'll have 3 horse stall doors entering this end, coming out to the paddocks. And we'll remove the big sliding doors. And we're gonna put a lean-to, I think full length, 40 foot, coming out, I'm thinking 10 feet. And then we will have a man door that we'll move all these barrels. And you'll walk in here, we'll concrete this, and have a man door that comes into the building. You'll come into the building, thinking right there. So and then we'll cover that walkway too because of this snow coming off the roof. In the wintertime, you wouldn't be able to use that door. It would be really difficult. There's a lot of things to address, a lot of work to do, but it's gonna be awesome. All right, out for now. Okay, it's raining really hard outside, but that's what I got done. All the grill work, the 2x12s on top. This door I just finished. So I got one door complete. Oh boy. It's been the endless rainy spring. But these are all my boards that I'm using. They're the cutoffs from the 2x12s from the walls to build the doors to use for that part of the door. I just went with a small piece of treated wood at the bottom of the door because these doors are going to sit up about 5.5 inches, so they'll be at the top of that first treated 2x6 because we'll end up pouring concrete in here, pouring concrete all through here, and then filling this with gravel. Install mats. We'll look at it from the other side. This will end up being a solid wall. I've got some leftover grill work. I might try to put some of it in one of these, in part of this wall. I installed the wrong brackets, so this whole wall has to come back out, which kind of sucks, but that's just the way it goes. Do it right and fix your screw ups. But this stall package from Ram is pretty amazing. The directions could be a little clearer, but all in all, they're not bad once you start doing it and getting it figured out. I would highly recommend their stall package. It's good quality material. All right. I guess that's it for now. I'm calling it a night. Well, I haven't been too good at taking videos of the progress, but had 2 doors on, missing parts for this door. Hopefully we'll get them, or I'll make them. Here's the first stall. Got some boards to finish. quite a bit of work, but it's turning out really nice. It's hard to get it all in the video. Trying, that's where the loft's gonna be. Doors slide pretty good, but we're losing these. These keep dropping from those holes up there. But I think it's because I got that bolt too tight and squished them out of their holes. Something else to get dialed in, I guess. Here's the slit in the drinking post. Still gotta fill in that gap. Just because I don't want a horse to think it can go through there and fight with another horse. Because horses are dumb. Everybody knows that. Don't pretend like they're not. No offense. Thanks, like, sorry, not sorry. That's what I've gotten done with the Ram horse stall kit and buying a lot of really expensive lumber. This will go all the way up, solid wall. I do plan on, I've got leftover bars. I'm gonna put a small area in here. It's probably gonna end about here. And it's amazing. This thing's like a bomb shelter. If we get a tornado, I'm coming out here. The only thing Ram screwed up on was they gave me 2 of these. I needed one like this, one more like this, but it's supposed to have some of these holes in it. Other than that, I mean, out of all the pieces we got, it's pretty impressive that that's all they got wrong. And that, once I get that figured out, I ordered a hole saw to be able to make my own piece if I have to. Or modify one of the wrong pieces, I guess. That's it. That's what we got done for now. Pretty happy with it. All right. Let's see. Pretty much out of materials as far as boards go for now. Oh, back to the lumber yard. That's about it. See you later. Okay, here's our new loft above the horse stalls. I haven't taken any video in a while. The 40 by 14 loft that we can lift stuff up here with the skid steer. We haven't figured out where we're going to put access. Or we're just going to continue to use that ladder for now, I guess. And probably a handrail of some sort that will fold back in right here. Kind of in the center. Good storage. Nice progress. Feels good to get at that point now. Lean-to out here. 10 by 40 lean-to. That's the next project. And I'm gonna end up putting some windows in up here. We don't need this big header board anymore. It was for the support the garage door because that was a huge span. And not square. So I'll do some reframing here. My framing was square. The door opening wasn't. So I don't know, it's just a lot of playing around with it. Just trying to get things right with the building that's out of square. But we've come a long ways. The floor turned out nice flat and actually pretty square. So we're getting things better. Eventually that'll be a writing area for the winter time. 40 by 90, 95 I think. So it's a little narrow, but lengthwise it's pretty good. Never big enough. Alright, that's enough for now. The bird's nest there.